Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace tensioner pulley Ford Ranger full guide. Begin by gathering tools: socket set, breaker bar, torque wrench, and a new tensioner pulley. Inspect the belt, note routing, and mark timing if needed. Work methodically and keep fasteners organized. If you feel unsure, stop and consult a repair manual or professional. Small steps prevent big mistakes and save time during reassembly. Start by loosening the belt tensioner to relieve belt pressure and slide the belt off the pulley slowly. Use the correct socket size to avoid rounding the bolt head. Remove the tensioner mounting bolts while supporting the assembly to prevent it from dropping. Take a photo for reference and inspect the old pulley for wear or damage. Keep bolts together so reinstallation uses the same hardware in the same order. Place the new tensioner pulley onto its bracket and thread the mounting bolts by hand to avoid cross-threading. Tighten bolts incrementally and finish with a torque wrench to the vehicle manufacturer spec. Refit the belt following the original routing and release the tensioner slowly to set correct tension. Spin the pulley by hand to confirm smooth operation and ensure no rubbing. Start the engine briefly to listen for unusual noises and confirm proper function.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.